117 paari kendu ning sukku jagasin 44 paari välja. Minä olin 9-aastane, kun kudusin esimesed sukad.
Seda ma rääkisin juba, jah?
Sitä sijoittas siis meestele ning kõik poole yöni kävessä nendega aidas näyttäisi se kõike pulmarahvalle.
And the present is tied in the back of the man. So the whole first evening they walked around and everybody at the party can approach and have a look and criticize whether it's well done, whether it's not well done.
Aga seokast pupot ei panna kõikele. Need, kes tihkavad vanaks poisiks jääme, nendele panna see rendu.
But this little doll is not for every man.
Tuletas see meele, et tuleb naist võtta.
It is a reminder for bachelors, for those that are at risk of staying a bachelor forever. It's a sign that it's about time to get married.
Kui veemed on jagatud, siis viies see noorik kõike pulmarahva ede tantsma. Selle jaoks on kõige paramad riided noorikul valmis jäetud ja näytan nüüd neid kirjutad käysi, sellepärast nende nimi on kirjutad, et siin veel need märgid tähendavad kõik.
After all the gifts have been distributed and it takes many hours because the big chest is full of the gifts. At the bottom of the chest, the girl gets her first festive costume as a woman, as a married woman. This was now this festive blouse we all have. And we say that this pattern is written there because every sign there has a special meaning.